this sexy braid right here? Hold it like this so y'all can see. Look at this. Sexy feet in. Sexy. Ladies, you can be sexy just like this. See this? See this sexy braid right here? Now look, what I love about braids is the fact that instead of wearing those lace fronts, it's hot outside. Now your glue will lift up on your lace front. I can do your braids down for your lace fronts. I can do your lace front installs. But what I've been noticing is women who love to work out, who have the lifestyle of going and working outside, that love to have a good time and dance and party, lace front be lifting up. So I recommend getting a protective style like feed-in braids that last for a month or two. You can go swimming, you can work out, you can have a good time, and your hair can be fly. So now, I'm about to section off this head and do these next two feed-in braids, okay? Teaching the class. So what I'm doing is I'm sectioning off the hair on the parietal ridge, on the side of the head, the parietal ridge, that's the side of the head. And I want to make it even. And I'm angling the part down, so you can see this. I'm angling the part down because I wanted to run the length of the side of the head, so that way it looks even. Like so. Alright, so I got my next two sections. And what I'm going to do is, I'm going to take this gel, and I'm going to slide it down this part. See what I just did? Take the gel. I'm gonna slide it down this part. Now, if I can braid and I'm a guy, you can braid. I can teach you how to braid and you can be doing this same thing here. Join my hair braiding bootcamp class right now. Click the link below, www.stylistjohn.com. Click on hair braiding bootcamp. If you want to make income doing what you love to do from the quarters of your own home, or join my team and work as an assistant and work in the shop. That's right. You can join my team, you can be an assistant, and you can work in the shop. I'm going to help you get your hair braiding license. Join the hairbraidingbootcamp.com.